Hi everyone, a very good afternoon to you all. I welcome you all to my another live session. I request everybody to kindly join in so that we can start. Until then, I will share the link. I request everyone to kindly join in fast so that we can start. I have some amazing outfits lined up for you today to showcase the beautiful collection of Ladli. To all those people who are watching me for the first time, this is Ishika and my brand's name is Ladli. We specifically deal in all kind of women ethnic wear. It's a one-stop destination for all the ethnic wear needs of women, be it cord sets, functional wear, kurta sets, cord sets, anything. Right? So I'll request everyone to quickly join in so that we can start. Before we move ahead, I will first explain the booking process, which is going to be very simple. Any particular piece that you like, the piece that I'm going to show to you today in the live session, आपको कोई भी piece पसंद आता है, आपको just उसका screenshot लेना है and comment में जिस number को मैंने pin किया है, उस number पे आपको WhatsApp करना है उस स्क्रीनशॉट को so that हमारी टीम आपको असिस्ट करेगी about the size availability, about the clothing, about everything. आपके छोटे बड़े किसी भी तरीके के जो भी क्वेरीज रहेंगे my team will be assisting you. तो आप जस्ट स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए. बुकिंग हमारे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे लाइव सेशन के दौरान हर टाइम अवेलेबल है. आप बुक करवा सकते हो. द पीस इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी 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 प्रीमियम क्वालिटी और आपको किसी भी तरीके का कोई शिपिंग चार्ज, आप अगर सीओडी सर्विसेज भी अवेल करते हैं तो आपको सीओडी चार्जेस भी कुछ भी उसका पे नहीं करना है. राइट? COD charges and the shipping, they are going to be completely free. There is no extra charge for anything. You just have to take the screenshot and you just have to WhatsApp us on the number that I have pinned in the comment section. The booking would be confirmed according to the size availabilities and the piece is yours. And within 4 to 5 working days, you'll be having the piece in your hand at your doorstep. Right? So I'll request everyone to kindly join in super fast so that we can start. Okay, I'll start my session with a very, very beautiful article from my collection. We have done the photo shoot of each and every article. All those particular reels, they are available on my Facebook page, on my Instagram page as well. Both of them, the reels are available on both our pages. You go explore our page. Any particular piece that you like, just send in the screenshot. We would be assisting you as soon as we get your text, right? Yes, so this is the first article, very, very beautiful piece. in the shade of green. In the shade of green, a very beautiful pista shade it is. Beautiful सा article आएगा डोला सिल्क के अंदर. The fabric is going to be डोला सिल्क. डोला सिल्क का दुपट्टा पैंट सेट आएगा. This is a 3-piece set. 3-piece set कुर्ता पैंट एंड दुपट्टा. Beautiful सा article आएगा. The length is going to be amazing. Sleeves जो आएंगे वो 3/4 sleeves आएंगे and एक बहुत ही सुंदर फुल लेंथ का दुपट्टा आएगा. बहुत सुंदर फुल लेंथ का दुपट्टा आएगा. एंड अगर आप दुपट्टा में भी देखेंगे तो देयर इज दिस ब्यूटीफुल डिजाइन विच इज बीइंग डन. जब आप इस दुपट्टा को शोल्डर पे कैरी करेंगे, दिस इज द होल डिजाइन विच इज गोइंग टू कवर योर शोल्डर. ब्यूटीफुल सा आर्टिकल आएगा. ब्यूटीफुल सा आर्टिकल आएगा. राइट. दुपट्टा का फैब्रिक जाएगा विस्कोस ऑर्गेन्जा. विस्कोस ऑर्गेन्जा का ब्यूटीफुल सा आर्टिकल आएगा. एंड अगर आप इसका एज भी देखेंगे तो एवरीवेयर दिस पर्ल वर्क इज डन. दिस पर्ल वर्क इज डन ऑन द एज ऑफ द दुपट्टा एज वेल. पूरा शोल्डर कवर करने के लिए ये ब्यूटीफुल सा वर्क इसके शोल्डर पे भी किया हुआ है. एंड आई विल गिव यू द क्लोजर लुक. Look at the closure look of the yoke. इसका नेक देखिए, it is so beautiful. Everywhere this kardana and this pearl work is done. पूरे के पूरे योक के ऊपर मोती का काम किया हुआ आएगा. एंड ऑल ओवर द कुर्ता छोटे छोटे बूटी का काम भी मिलेगा. अमेजिंग सा आर्टिकल आएगा. वेरी ब्यूटिफुल पीस. The price is going to be just 1850. Only 1850 for this premium outfit, guys. 1850. Size available from M to XXL. M, L, XL, XXL. Both these are the sizes which are available. Price is going to be just 1850. No charges for shipping. No charges for COD services. Any particular piece that you like, kindly take the screenshot and send us. Right? Moving to my next piece. Beautiful सा article आएगा प्योर क्रेप के अंदर. क्रेप के अंदर एक बहुत सुंदर सा आर्टिकल आएगा लेवेंडर शेड में. All of you know lavender is in very much trend right now. It's the color of the season. It's beautiful. It's very elegant and very sophisticated color. बहुत ही सुंदर सा एक आर्टिकल आएगा. पूरे के पूरे योक पे आप देखेंगे this is the sequin work which is done on the yoke. I will give you the closure look as well. ये पूरा का पूरा सीक्वेंस का वर्क आएगा योक के ऊपर. एंड द ब्यूटिफुल पार्ट इज इट्स दामन. आई होप इट्स क्लियर. इट्स क्लियरली विजिबल इन द वीडियो. आप ब्यूटिफुल सा इसका काम देखेंगे दामन के ऊपर. पूरा का पूरा हैंड ब्रश वाटर कलर पेंटेड है. ये ब्यूटिफुल सा न्यू कंसेप्ट है. बहुत ही सुंदर बारीक काम एंड पेंट इसके ऊपर किया हुआ है. अगेन द पूरा का पूरा वाटर पेंट के ऊपर ये सीक्वेंस का काम दिया हुआ है. बहुत ही सुंदर सीक्वेंस का काम भी किया हुआ है. अमेजिंग सा आर्टिकल आएगा. बहुत सुंदर. राइट. इसके साथ आएगा इसको पेयर करने के लिए फुल लेंथ का शिफॉन दुपट्टा. फुल लेंथ का शिफॉन दुपट्टा with the lace work. Very premium. बहुत ही सुंदर सा amazing article आएगा. And the same color pant. It's a 3-piece dupatta pant set. Beautiful article. Sizes available from M to XXL. M, L, XL, XXL की लोग ही उसको बुक करेंगे. No plus sizes are available in this. Right? The price is going to be just 1500. About my pricing and my quality, I am guaranteeing you about this thing. You just cannot avail beautiful quality and more premium fabric other than me. Right? You can check it in the retail market. This is like the most affordable clothing brand you can have. And this is like the most premium outlet that you can check. Right? 1500 is just going to be the price of this. 1500. Moving to my next piece. Since many of you have asked about the festive colors and about the wedding festivities color, mustard yellow has been in very much demand. Mustard yellow का बहुत ही strong demand रहता है and seeing the requirements हमने ये piece ready करवाया है. Look at the pure silk outfit. ये पूरा का पूरा outfit जाएगा silk के fabric में. It's a pure silk, बहुत प्रीमियम आउटफिट है, बहुत प्रीमियम फैब्रिक है. अगर मैं आपको इसको नजदीक से दिखाऊं तो आप इसका चेक कर सकते हो. दिस इज द वेरी प्रीमियम फैब्रिक. ये जो पूरा का पूरा फ्लावर डिटेलिंग आप देख रहे हैं, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द एप्लिक वर्क. ये पूरा एप्लिक वर्क के डिटेलिंग के साथ में आएगा. यू कैन चेक द एप्लिक वर्क अगेन. दामन के ऊपर भी एप्लिक वर्क का बहुत ही सुंदर डिटेलिंग आएगा, राइट? एक बहुत सुंदर फ्लावर डिटेलिंग इसके ऊपर आएगा. अमेजिंग सा पीस है. सिल्क का आर्टिकल है जिसके साथ में कॉटन लाइनिंग अटैच्ड है. कॉटन लाइनिंग सारे सूट्स के अंदर अटैच्ड आएगा, विच इज लाइक अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग साइन ऑफ अ वेरी प्रीमियम क्लोथिंग. आप इसको देख सकते हो. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी प्रीमियम आर्टिकल, राइट? अगेन जो दुपट्टा आएगा, इट्स इन सॉफ्ट विस्कोस ऑर्गेन्जा विद डिजिटल प्रिंटिंग ऑल ओवर इट. फुल लेंथ का दुपट्टा आएगा. फुल लेंथ का दुपट्टा आएगा अलोंग विद इट विद द 3D प्रिंटिंग ऑल ओवर द दुपट्टा. वेरी प्रीमियम आर्टिकल. अगेन इट्स अ 3-piece दुपट्टा पैंट सेट. पैंट्स के साथ में आएगा एंड दिस पीस इज जस्ट फॉर 1850. Just 1850 is going to be the price of this beautiful article. Sizes available from M to XXL, M, L, XL, XXL. Only these people will be booking the piece. Right? The price is going to be just 1850. No extra charge for shipping and COD services. Right? Moving to another article. एक बहुत ही सुंदर सा पीस आएगा ब्लैक के अंदर. बहुत ही सुंदर सा पीस आएगा ब्लैक के अंदर. लुक एट द कंप्लीट 3D डिजिटल प्रिंट ऑल ओवर द कुर्ता एंड द दुपट्टा. This is going to be the full length digital print dupatta. Full length digital print दुपट्टा, वेरी प्रीमियम, बहुत सुंदर सा काम इस पूरे कुर्ता के ऊपर है. द प्रिंट इटसेल्फ इज वेरी प्रीमियम. ये कितना डिजाइनर सा पीस लग रहा है. इट इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर आई, राइट? एंड चेक आउट द योक नाउ. दिस इज द ब्यूटिफुल योक. ब्यूटिफुल सा योक आएगा मिरर के काम में एंड करदाना के काम में. This is the complete handwork, very premium handwork, real mirror and kardana work all over the yoke. Right? And the pants, they are paired with the solid black pants. Solid black pants. You can check out the pants as well. These are in solid black pants. Right? And along with it, the pants, they are completing the look with the same print on the edge. Right? So, same print on the edge as well. Beautiful se pants aayenge, and this is going to be the full length dupatta. The full length dupatta along with it. Right? The price is going to be only 1250. You cannot ask for more premium quality product at this affordable rate. I am guaranteeing you about that. 1250 is just going to be the price of this. Sizes available from M to XXL. M, L, XL, XXL are going to be the 4 sizes available. Anybody who likes this piece, please take a screenshot. We have very limited stock in the same. Please book the piece as soon as you can. We go out, stock out very soon. So everybody who wants to grab this piece, please take a screenshot. Right? Moving to my next and the showstopper piece of my collection. There is no festive. This is like a complete festive and wedding season ahead. I wanted to showcase this piece to you. We have this piece under manufacturing. And this is my sample piece which I have made ready for you all. It's in pure silk, Gadji silk. I will give you the explanation about it. ये plain gown आएगा maroon color का इसके साथ में, which you can wear. आप इस जैकेट को, this is completely detachable. आप कैसे भी इसको यूज कर सकते हो. You can wear this jacket with your sarees, and many fashion designers are available over there in my audience. You can surely design it in any particular way that you like. But I loved this dress with this particular look. एक बहुत ही सुंदर plain gown आएगा. Along with that, गज्जी सिल्क, प्योर गज्जी सिल्क का ये ब्यूटीफुल सा गज्जी सिल्क घाट चोला, ये ब्यूटीफुल सा इसके साथ में जैकेट आएगा. Amazing sa article with the lakdi patta itself. You know the authenticity about this particular piece. Gajji silk with ghat chola is the most premium outlet you can check. Amazing sa work, and along with it, the pure yoke which is in the work of Zardozi and Gotapatti. Zardozi and Gotapatti, guys. Very premium article. Since this is a very premium article, the price also is very premium. The price is going to be 7250. 7250 for this pure Gajji Ghat Chola outfit. 7250. The bookings will be taken completely on the order basis. Once you will confirm your order, then only this piece would be made for you. This piece would surely be customized as per your requirement and your sizes. Anybody who would love to book this piece, please confirm the order and we will get in touch with you, and as per your requirements this piece would be made. Right? It's a completely order based product which would be prepared later on. It's just a sample piece जो मुझे आपको दिखाना था because ये बहुत ही सुंदर outfit बन के आया है. Right? Price is going to be 7250. Beautiful article. Right? So thank you so much, guys. That's it from my end. So today's live session, I request you to keep supporting us. Go follow our channel on Facebook, Instagram. Every day a new reel is getting uploaded over there. Shower your love more and more. For any booking related queries or anything, please get in touch with us on WhatsApp. My team would be assisting. I personally would be assisting to you. Right? We will surely meet again tomorrow at the same time probably. And we will notify you before that also. So thank you so much and have a good day.